Hello, Duncan from Sewing Direct. Just about to talk to you about the Bernina June offers. Now, there is some tantalisingly delicious offers this month. So, hopefully, this is the month that you've been waiting for to get your brand new sparkling Bernina. We have got the 770 QE Pro this month. That's an offer with a free embroidery unit. It's a staggering saving. Just over 1,350. Well, it is £1,350. Then we've got the lovely Bernina 335. Now this is the 335 here. It's the second in the range of the 3 series, so it's the top spec 3 series. It's a fantastic machine if you want a small machine or a Bernina to take to a sewing class. It's packed full of features. It's a fantastic bit of kit. And this month, Bernina have made it even better by putting a free walking foot and a free knee lift system with it. That's saving you over £170. And there is also the Bernette range. Now in the Bernette range there is the B42, which is a Coverstitch machine. There is the B44 Overlocker, and then there is the B68, a combination overlock and Coverstitch machine. All of those three are on offer. The B42, special retail price, £495. That's the Coverstitch machine. The B44 Overlocker, fantastic price, £395. Nice. And then the Coverstitch machine, the 68 Combi Overlocker, which I believe is an air thread system as well. Can't complain at that. They're also air thread. B68. Staggering offer this month. You're going to get a free mini vacuum cleaner with it. What more can you ask for? Well, buy an Overlocker, Coverstitch machine, and get a vacuum cleaner. Fantastic. A mini one. Only a mini one, right? Probably handheld. I haven't got one to show you, sadly. But there we go. That is the Bernina offers on the machines this month and the Bernette offers this month. Now, as you probably know, being a Bernina customer, Bernina also do an accessory of the month. Now, this month, the accessory of the month is the foot number 14 and 14D, which is the zip foot with guide. That's got 15% off. So it's £48.88 for the 14 and it's £63.75 for the 14D. Now the 14D is for those machines that have got a dual feed system in it. So your 570 and up in that range, that's that one there, and the 14's for the other ones. There we go. So fantastic offers, all about the Bernina. Any questions, let me know. Speak to you soon.